Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah, and if you're new, I'm Sarah, and welcome to the family. I'm so excited that you're here, and I'm so excited to do this video because I finally received my Boxycharms for February. Shipment was crazy for the month. The weather, everything, it was crazy. So if y'all are interested to see what I got in my boxes, keep watching. Alright guys, so let's do this. The first box I'm going to pick up is my base box. It's kind of smaller than normal, but that doesn't mean anything. So I'm going to get my scissors and open her up and see what we got. I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. I know I'm doing my Ipsy unbagging and my Boxy unboxings so close together because my hair's up. So close together because I just received all of it at one time. So I'm sorry, but not sorry. So this is the base box. Let's open her up. This is what she looks like. And let's start digging in and see what we got. So this is one of my favorite things that they also include this card so I could show y'all how much each product costs and was the box worth it, what was the price I paid, and actually what did I receive, how much did I receive. So the first thing I pick up is from Ace Beauty. I love their eyeshadow, and this is a eyeshadow palette I do not have. It's the Nostalgia palette. It has 15 colors, 12-month shelf life. Let's see if I can get it out the box. Let's see what it looks like. Same cardboard packaging. They have a nice mirror. Ooh, look at these colors. I love that. I love all these colors. So beautiful, 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 beautiful. So it says the Ace Beauty. The Nostalgia palette includes 15 colors meant to inspire fun, which it looks like it. Inspire fun and creativity as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. The MSRP for this item is $38.99. Alright, so the next item I pick up is from Tula Skincare. This is So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Got pores? Get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. Everyone needs that. Look, everybody has pores. Come on. But we do want to keep them clean and small, right? So it says the MSRP for this item is $32. I don't suffer from blackheads and I don't really have large pores. I'm sure I could find someone that is going to benefit from this product. Either that or I'll put it in a giveaway. So the next item I pick up is going to be, what is this? Vitamin E infused cuticle oil. That's nice. It has little hearts and glitter in the inside. That's so cute. It says from NC Los Angeles, So Rich Treatments. So this says NCLA Beauty, So Rich Love Potion. You'll heart this limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. The cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. The MSRP for this item is $18. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I wonder if it has a smell. No smell. So that's so cute. I like getting little extra different things in my boxes. I'm not mad at you. So the next thing I pick up, this is called Cocoa Gold Mist Hydrating Setting Mist. This is from the Beauty Crop. The Beauty Crop Cocoa Gold Mist. This hydrating fine mist envelopes skin in moisture and helps set and refresh your makeup look. Cocoa Gold Mist includes a delicate amount of gold pearlescent shimmer that imparts a radiant glow while boosting hydration. The MSRP for this item is $14.99. This is the bottle, and it has like a little cap where you could actually lock the cap. So that's nice. So you could actually see the gold flecks in there. So I don't know how that's gonna work. I mean, it sounds a little, I don't know. I don't want gold flecks all over my face, but we will see. We will see. And the last product is this from Glamour. This is Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles, make blending easy and flawless. The MSRP for this item is $29.95. So let's open it up and see. This is so cute. It must be curated for Valentine's Day with the little Valentine hearts. And then this brush set, if I could open it. This is so cute. So it comes in a little bag. And it has all these little brushes. Oh, look. So it comes with 4 different brushes. You can always use these. They feel really soft. I love soft brushes. Nothing too harsh on the skin. Nothing too harsh on the skin. Look how cool that is. Has a little hearts in there. I think we have a visitor. I hear someone. Gia, do you want to come say hi? Huh? Do you want to come tell everybody hi? Come on, hurry up. This is Gianna. She's Gigi. Tell everybody hi.
Hi.
What are you eating?
Daddy.
Say hi.
Hey.
Look at the camera. You can see. Say hi.
Hey.
All right, Gigi. Look how cool these brushes are. It's got little hearts in there.
I saw you.
That's cool. You're spying on me? Ah, you little rat. All right, guys, that is all the products in the base box. Let's add this up and see what we got.
That's it?
For this one box. Let me pull up my calculator. So we got the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, which was $38.99. And then we got the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub, which is $32. Then we got the Beauty Crop Cocoa Gold Mist, which is $14.99. Then we got the Glamour Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, which is $29.95. And then the NCLA Beauty So Rich Love Potion, which was $18. So the total value of this box, the MSRP, is $133.93. And then this box you only pay $25 for. So it's nice. That was a nice box. I'm not mad at it. I like all the products. If y'all tried any products, let me know. Let me know what y'all think of the box. All right, let's jump into the premium box. Let me open her up. So this is what she looks like. So excited. I think me and Gia, we was thinking about doing like a my toddler does my makeup. That would be fun. She really does know how to do some makeup. All right, let's jump into this box. So this is the first item I pick up is from Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I cannot get enough lip balms right now. My lips are always dehydrated or always cracked, so I always have to keep lip balm or some kind of hydration on my lips. So I can tell you what's been getting me through the winter time. Oh, I love this. I put this on every day before my makeup application. I just let it sit while I'm doing my makeup and getting ready. This is the Jouer Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. I love this stuff. Love it. Love it. Okay, that's not in this box, so let's get back to the stuff in this box. This is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, subtle lips, and it does. MSRP for this item is $33. All right, let's open her up. I can't wait to try this and smell it. Oh, it's thick. which is a good thing. Ooh, it smells so good. I'm just tapping it on a little bit. Oh, it feels good. It feels good. It feels good. So the next item I pick up, this is from Laura Mercier. This is her Matte Radiance Baked Powder. I love her translucent setting powder. Is my ride or die, always been. I love her. That is just my all ride or die. I have not tried this baked powder. This one is ultra smooth baked face powder that provides natural color with soft matte radiance. The MSRP for this item is $44. Nice packaging, like always. She always has some nice packaging. Mirror, and then it has like a little cap over this. Let's see. Really nice. So that's going to be nice to use. It feels like it's really finely milled. I can't wait to try it and let y'all know. I have not tried that before. The next product I pick up is from Glam Glow. I love Glam Glow, most of their skincare products. So this one says Glam Glow Super Mattifying Clarifying Oil Control Face Primer. A lightweight oil control primer for acne prone skin that instantly mattifies and helps keeps shine in check all day. So makeup looks on point. The MSRP for this item is $42. So I'm not a matte girl, but I do sometimes like to use matte products underneath when my skin gets oily or something during the day. It's good to put a little wherever in your T-zone, wherever you would get oily, that's what you would use. So this is a primer, and look how cute this packaging is. Come on, you would buy this just for the packaging. It comes in a compact. This is just too adorable, and it has this little bitty tiny, oh yes, I keep these. If you don't know, I'm one of these hoarders, these little spoon hoarders. I love them. I collect them. I don't know why, but I do. It has a little star on there. It's so cute. And then you open it up. It comes with the mirror, and then you open this up right here, and there is your primer. So that is so cute. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try it. And look, you can keep your little spoon right there. That is so cute. Cute, 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 cute. Packaging just gets me. Packaging just gets me. But the actual product does have to deliver. It does have to deliver. I don't know if I said it, but the MSRP for that item is $42. The next product that I pick up, this is going to be from Elemis. Elemis does have some nice skincare products. This is Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial Hydrating Sleep Mask. I love sleep masks. I love them. My favorite like jelly sleep mask is from Belief. Belief has one of my favorite. It's their jelly mask. You put that on. Oh, wake up! Your skin is so nice and soft. But this is from Elemis. This one says Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. The super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biomimetic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. I can't wait to try this. The MSRP for this item is $65. So that's not bad for a sleep mask. It's a little bit on the high end, but so this is what it looks like. It's a glass jar, really nice. I'm gonna have to include this into my skincare regimen. I'm not hating at all, but just to let you know, it didn't come with a scooper. Just saying, Elemis, you could add a little scooper in there. All right. The next product I pick up is going to be Audacity California. I don't think I've tried this. This is a cleansing water. It's like a micellar water. It's in a glass bottle. Look how nice that is. It's heavy. Ooh, that is nice. Bougie girl. So this says Audacity Blue Aura Cleansing Water, a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Delicious? Energized by purifying, I'm gonna botch this name, Ayurvedic herbs. This cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step. specially formulated to combat skin damaging pollutants before they take their toll. So I don't know about no rinse cleanser. I do double cleanse. I use a balm to take off my makeup, and then I use another light face wash. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure about the no rinsing. I don't know. I don't really use micellar water. The only time I ever use micellar water is to like clean up a little bit on my face or something like that with makeup, but that's the only time I ever really use it. All right, and the MSRP for this item is $39, so that is so nice. All right, so the next item I pick up out of this box is this is the last item. This is going to be from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner Double Effect. This says Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. Get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partners in line. This best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formula will cause some serious double takes. This product is full-size, made just for charmers, and is not for retail sale. So this is just for Boxycharm. The MSRP for this item is $24. So let's see. It's double-ended, which is nice. So it has a felt tip on one end, and then it has a gel pencil on the other. So that's cool. Can't wait to try it. All right, so that is it for that box. Let's add up these items and see what we got. So we got the Glam Glow Super Mattifying Clarifying Oil Control Face Primer, which was $42. Then we had the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Bake Powder, which was $44. And then we had the Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial, which is $65. And then the Audacity, I don't know if I'm saying that right. The Blue Aura Cleansing Water is $39. Then we have the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner, which is $24. And then the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, which is $33 for a lip balm. Woo, girl. All right, so the MSRP for this box is $247. So what do y'all think of the products that I got? I'm really loving this. Besides the cleansing water, I don't know about that. Everything else, I really am so interested to try. I am loving it. I am loving this box. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed unboxing these boxes with me. Y'all let me know if y'all get Boxycharm. If you don't, if you're interested, the link is below. Use my link. So until next time, y'all stay blessed, guys.